Sarvebhyah Namaskaraha. Are you searching for the knowledge which can reveal our purpose of life and which can give us everlasting and real happiness? Are you looking for an authentic and extensive source to experience Samskritam, Samskritihi, Samskaraha? Is this rare treasured knowledge accessible by all from anywhere at any time? Yes. Welcome to Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala's Sanskrit from Home, the largest online repository for structured Sanskrit e-learning content, a one-stop solution for all your Samskrita, Samskriti, Samskara endeavors. To start this journey, let us log on to www.sanskritfromhome.org. Register for free in a few simple steps and quickly start this wonderful journey. As you enter the knowledge portal, 3 options are available to begin your Sanskrit learning. If you want an exclusive, customized learning path to be designed based on your persona, your learning objective, and your proficiency level, click on option 1 and choose the Learning Path Builder. By Bhagavad Prerana, this is a first of its kind feature in any Sanskrit e-learning platform. On providing your basic details and answering a few questions, you're provided with a list of courses which you can take as per your time availability to fulfill your learning objective. In case you're looking for thematic certificate-based courses, click on option 2, Learning Programs. These are pre-designed bundle of courses crafted by a team of expert Sanskrit scholars. Here, you may join the journey anytime, take assessments at a specific interval, and get certified based on successful completion. To explore, enroll, and enjoy any of our top quality, deep study, authentic courses, choose the courses option and make your own learning list. You may even accomplish a combination of above options depending on your commitment and time availability. Once you register and start your learning journey at Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala, these top 7 features will help you in the most enjoyable learning experience. Get free access to more than 200 courses with 2,000 plus lessons spread over 5,000 hours of precious knowledge created by more than 50 renowned scholars. Get anytime, anywhere access to your learning page for both recorded and live courses enrolled by you in just one click. Based on your completion levels, monitor and track your learning progress. Teachers and support staff are available to help with doubts and clarifications. On completion, take up graded assessments to confirm your understanding. Successful accomplishment would make you eligible for certificate. Different modes of learning, accessibility in different devices helps you to continue learning seamlessly. And many more features are available for you to explore and enjoy. You're surely eager to join this marvelous learning saga. Then why delay? Shubhasya Shighram. Join now. Feel free to contact us for any queries. Learn Sanskrit. Be happy. Be really happy.